Hey guys, do you ever like to dance just in like your seat? Like say you're in the car and you like hear this really good song and you're like, yeah mom, turn it up! Like this. And then you just dance and just going at it. I like that too. So I decided to dance in my chair today. So if you're sitting already, you can just dance too. And you can do this anywhere. Maybe not in church. Alright, I think I got my wiggles out. Did you get yours? I guess we will start reading. Junie B Jones, chapter 3 in Beauty Shop Guy. Which I love because I'm a hairdresser and this is my favorite book of hers. So we'll go ahead and start. Chapter 3, very much, thank you. Practicing. Let's get to it. Daddy drove me home in the car. I kept on sniffing the air. You smell like a lovely woman, I said. Daddy wasn't that friendly. It's the hair gel. He grouched. I sniffed some more. I love that smelly hair gel, I said. Plus I love sweeping and holding the fluffy towel. And so maybe I might be a beauty shop guy when I grow up. Wonderful, said Daddy. I know it is wonderful, I said. And here's another wonderful thing. I already have a name tag and a towel and a broom and some scissors. And so I'm all set to go to work probably. Just then, Daddy quick pulled the car to the curb. No, Junie B, no. You are not all set to go to work, he said. You don't just pick up some scissors and start cutting hair. Do you understand? Working in a beauty shop takes years and years of practice. Yeah, only I already know that, I said. I already know it takes years and years of practice. Years and years and years, said Daddy. I did a huffy breath at him. I already know that, I told you, I said again. After that, I leaned back in my seat and I think about the years and years of practice. Finally, I did a big sigh. I would have to get started right away. Daddy pulled the car into our driveway. I runned inside my house, zippity quick. I'm home, I hollered. I'm home from the beauty shop. Mother runned out of baby Ollie's room. Shh. I just put your brother down for his nap, she said. I stood there for a minute because that woman just gave me a sneaky idea, that's why. I did a fake yawn. I need a nap too, I think, I said, 'cause that beauty shop got me all tired out. I walked to my bedroom. Well, nighty-night, don't let the bed bugs fight, I said. Mother followed me. Her face looked suspicious. Suspicious is the grown-up word for I think maybe you might be fibbing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on there a second, said Mother. I thought you hated naps. I do, I said. I do hate naps, but today I worked at the beauty shop and that job got me pooped, I tell you. After that, I closed my door and I got under my covers. Mother peeked in at me. I did a fake snore. And then I waited and waited till she closed the door again. My snore was not very good, sorry. I stayed in bed till it was safe. Then finally I tiptoed to my desk and I opened the top drawer real quiet. I stretched my hands all around that thing. Then all of a sudden my heart got pumpy because my hands felt what they were looking for. And their name is my bestest shiny scissors. Oh no, guys, what is she gonna do? Chapter 4, Snipping, Snipping, Snipping. opened and closed my shiny scissors real fast. Now I can start my years and years of practice, I whispered, very thrilled. I skipped to my bed where my stuffed animals sit, 'cause I need volunteers, of course. Who wants to go first? I asked my animals. Who wants to get their fur trimmed at my beauty shop? My bestest elephant named Philip Johnny Bob raised his foot. I do, he said. I hugged him very tight, 'cause that guy is always a good sport, that's why. I picked him up and I put him in my beauty chair. I sat him on lots and lots of pillows. Oops, just lots. So he would be tall. Then I kept on looking and looking at his fur. Yeah, only here's the problem, I said. Your fur is made out of softy gray velvet, and softy gray velvet is short and smoothie. And so I can't even trim you. Philip Johnny Bob did a sad sigh. I patted his head and put him back on the bed. Just then I accidentally stepped on something. I looked on the floor and guess what? It was my slippers that looked like bunnies. Us, trim us, they said real squealy. Hey, yeah, 'cause you have beautiful longest white fur I have ever even saw. And so you guys will be perfect probably. And there's Junie with her scissors. Oh dear. I quick picked them up and put them in my beauty chair. After that, I skipped all around them and I snipped their long white fur. I sing a lovely song. It's called Snipping, Snipping, Snipping Their Long White Fur. It was the longest or the funnest fun I have ever even had. After I got done, I holded them up to the mirror so they could see themselves. They did not smile. We're baldies, they said real soft. I did a big breath at those guys. Yeah, only I already know you're baldies, but that is not my fault, 'cause you kept on wiggling while I was trimming you, I said. I petted their heads very nice. Don't worry, I whispered. Oh dear, what is she gonna do? Guys, bunny fur probably grows back, probably. I'm almost positive, sort of. Then I hugged them real gentle and I throwed them under my bed, 'cause I didn't want Mother and Daddy to see them, that's why. After that, I got in bed and I did a sigh. This job was going to take more practice than I thought. Chapter 5. Teddy and Tickle. My bunny slippers didn't grow their fur back. I peeked at them the whole entire weekend, only no fur growed at all. Not even a teensy fuzzy. On Monday at school, I didn't feel like playing at recess. My bestest friend named Grace put her arm around me. What's wrong, Junie B? She said. How come you don't want to play today? I hanged my head real glum. 'Cause bunny fur doesn't grow back. That's why, I said. Only who knew? And so now I can't be a beauty shop guy when I grow up, probably. And that was my hopes and dreams. Then Grace's eyes got big and wide at me. Hey, me too, she said. Being a beauty shop guy is my hopes and dreams too. My Aunt Lola owns her very own beauty shop, and she already said I could be a shampoo girl. Just then my other bestest friend named Lucille started fluffing her hair. When I grow up, I am going to be a client. A client is a person who goes to the beauty shop and spends a small fortune. She took a little brush out of her purse and she started brushing her hair. See how shiny my hair is? It's soft and silky too. Soft and silky and well conditioned. She shaked it all around in the air. A woman's hair is her crowning glory, she said. Want to feel it, huh? Do you? Oh, that Lucille. After After that, she shaked her hair all around in the air. "You're getting on my nerves," I said. Just then, Grace clapped her hands real loud. Junie B, I just thought of something. Maybe Aunt Lola will let you be a shampoo girl too. And so both of us can be shampoo girls together." I did a gasp. "Really, Grace? Do you really think she would? Really, really, really?" Then I hugged Grace as tight as I could. Because guess what? My hopes and dreams were back. After I got home from school, I run to my room speedy quick. I grabbed my fuzzy teddy off my bed and I zoomed to the bathroom. My grandma Helen Miller shouted hello at me. She was in the nursery with my baby brother, named Ole. "Hello to you too," I shouted back. "Only here's an important message. Because right now I'm shutting the bathroom door on account of that is called privacy, madame." After that, I locked the door real secret and I filled the sink with water. Then I dunked Teddy up and down and I put the shampoo on that guy. And I sing a happy song. It is called "Dunking Teddy Up and Down and Putting Shampoo on That Guy." Only too bad for me, because pretty soon Teddy's head got all soaky wet with water and he couldn't hold it up that good. It flopped all around his neck. I stood him up in the sink and he was a giant sog ball. I felt sickish inside my stomach. That's how come I wrapped him in a towel and I hurried up back to my room. After that, I patted his sog head real gentle and I throwed him under the bed with my slippers. I hanged my head real gloomy. "Darn it," I said. "I'm not a good shampoo girl either. And so now I can never work at Aunt Lola's with that Grace probably." Just then my dog named Tickle scratched at the door. "Go away, Tickle," I said. "I'm not in a playing mood." But he kept on scratching and scratching. I opened the door a teeny crack. "I said go away. Don't you even understand language?" Only too bad for me because Tickle springed right up and he knocked open the door and he runned into my room. He zoomed around in circles and around in circles. And then finally, he got dizzy and pooped, and he flopped on my rug. I looked closer at that fellow. I said, "Your fur is kind of tangly and matty. Only I never actually noticed that before." I tapped on my chin. "Maybe you should come to my beauty shop for a trim, 'cause I already had practice, and so I can do better this time. I believe." I did more thinking. "Hey, yeah, and here's another good thing. Dog's fur grows back, right, Tickle? And so what do we have to lose? That's what I'd like to know." I zoomed to my desk and got my shiny scissors. Then I hurried back to Tickle, and I gave him a hug. And I trimmed his tangly, matty fur.